Gabriel, and today I'm gonna show you about my budgies that I bought a couple months ago. The ones that I bought first was Blue and Jenny. This is Blue. The one he's right here. You could tell that he's a boy because of his nose. And you may see that right now he's doing that thing. And this is Jenny. You could tell, and she's a girl, if you could tell by her nose. That's color gray and blue. And the ones that I bought probably like a few or a little bit months ago were Solly and Beauty. The ones that always fly away. And Beauty's always escaping. Solomon is the one with this one. You could tell he's a boy because of his nose is all blue. His nose is all blue. Like right here, his nose. And Beauty, Beauty could tell that she's like a girl. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna, and this is the small cage. We mostly use it to when we take them out, like to the beach or somewhere else. And you can see that here there are toys like a little mirror and this thing where they could play around. And you can see that Jenny's going in. I have a big cage, but it's outside. And I'm gonna show you the big cage as well. And you may see that Blue's right here, but look what he does. Look what he does. Where? But you should look for the cage. So I'll show you it. I'll show you it. So you may see that. Look at what Blue does. He hangs upside down. And you may see he's trying to climb up. So that's how Blue does. It makes me laugh how he does that on my finger. You may see that all of them are trying to fly away. No beauty. Sorry that I screamed at you. Sullivan. And you may see that Sullivan and Beauty are the ones that mostly fly. Jenny doesn't really fly that much. Yeah, so you may see, yes, I could tell that. I meant that. So you did saw that, how Blue does this upside down thing. There, and so you may see that the Budgies want to go back. This is Beauty. All I need to do to my Budgies train them to be on our fingers and shoulders. I did train them. You may see that they want to get in. So I'm going to put them in. And then later I'll put them in the big cage. I've also been watching videos of Budgie trying to train them. And we did train them. And we did actually train them. So you may see that the ones we had out is Beauty and Blue. You can see that he's always ready to go around. I see the Budgies has 2 toes in front and 2 toes in the back. That's the Budgies. Little Blue, what you doing? So right now you can see that they're all running around. And another thing, so Blue is the one that's always fighting with the others, and he's the leader because he's always protecting his house. Because we bought them a little bird house, and they're always fighting. He doesn't let the others in. You can see that they're always fighting. And I give them like fruits and vegetables, and they do eat it. So right now I'm gonna take out Jenny. Oh, and another thing, I see that sometimes when Blue and Jenny are on the ground, sometimes Blue starts chasing Jenny. Like for now, like right now I'm gonna show you it. Right now I'm gonna put them in the bottom and see how they do with Blue and Jenny. And now I'm gonna they pooped. We're gonna try to clean it. Now I'm gonna see how Blue reacts. Where? What will happen if I put Jenny next to Blue? Because I see the... You may see the Blue's right there, but you will see that he's gonna attack Jenny. So, right here's Jenny. Blue's trying to look for his little burnt house. Trying to look for the cage. And sometimes Blue bites in the wall when we try not to do it. And look. You may see that Blue wants to get in. Yeah, so like I showed you that Blue does the upside down thing. See how he does? He does upside down. Yeah, so you see that he did the upside down thing again. And right now he fell. Yeah, so that's how he does. Every time he tries to get in the cage. I don't know if any other birds do that. But mine does that. So I'm gonna put it right here. And then I'll put them back in the big cage. Hey everyone, so I'm back. And I'm gonna show you the big cage. So right now you see that the buddies are always scratching. So this toy, and this time my sister made because my sister sees that my buddies always moves around with them and bites them. And we have 2 of these swing things, little swingy things. And my mom bought this big one, but it was technically for big parrots. And we have the lettuce, the margarine, and the 2 strawberries. And right here is the toy that my mom made, where they could swing around, play around with. That's the bird. Right here is the birdhouse. The birdhouse where Blue stays inside, but Blue doesn't let anybody go inside. So, right now I'm going to show you why. Because look, right here I'm going to try to grab him. I'm going to put him right here. And I'm going to try to get him, and he goes inside. He does that when I'm trying to grab it, and he sometimes goes inside because he's trying to do something inside. Right now, Blue's doing something, and Solomon's right there. Right there's Blue. Right there is inside Blue. We also have this little jingle bell that my sister also made. Because they always like to like move it around and grab the little jingle bell. And they also play with this toy where they could move it around and it has a bell. And their tub where they could take a bath. We also spray them water to also clean them a bath. Also, this thing has a belt on it. Also, we have them a mirror what they could look at. And there's another extra door where you could put another tub. And you may see that Blue's inside, but in this little house has little 2 holes. Right here and right over there. And right now, I don't know why they're always scratching themselves. And right now I'm gonna take out. Right now I'm gonna take out Jenny. Yeah, so right here, here's Jenny. She doesn't really have wings since when we first bought her. I don't know what happened to her wings that she never knew how to fly. And so right now I'm gonna put her back into the cage. And I wanna take out Blue, but he's inside. These wings are already growing. Also, we have an orange right there, so the Budgies could eat. And the seeds, and the water. And right here, we can see what Blue's doing. Wait, he's catching himself. And this door has a small one and the big one. And we sometimes take them outside of their cage so they could play around. Yeah, so this thing my mom made it. She used a lot of things and beads. Right now you can see that Blue's there. And right here is Beauty. Right now I'm gonna try to take out Blue. That he's right there. Right there trying to hide from grabbing him. Right now he got out. And I'm gonna try to see if I could get him. I'm gonna get him. Yeah, so Blue right here. So he's the one who's always getting in, always inside. And he does this like, he does this. Upside down. I don't know if Budgies could do that. And Blue's wings are already going big. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this again about him going upside down. I'm gonna put him right here to show you him. And right now I'm gonna put him back. Yeah, so that's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button. And click the bell to see more videos of Mr. Gabriel. So I hope you liked the video.